So you're going to learn how advertising can make your business work despite being lousy at sales. Amazing how good it's going to be with this group because of how good you are at sales. Yes or yes?
Discover how to build your own lead generation machine. Learn specifically from your peers what they did to grow their firm. And best of all, learn a brand new management style that's going to help you maximize getting the work done in your firm, as well as maximizing the efficiency in your marketing department. The event that we just had at Partners Club will blow your mind. We opened up with teaching you about lead generation quadrants from Alex Hormozi's book, $100 Million Leads, and we bridged that information over to the relevance of your law firm lens. Then NPS broke down for you the single Facebook funnel that is working for us time and time again to put brand new appointments on your calendar that are highly qualified, show up and retain the firm at a higher rate at the maximum dollar value. If that wasn't enough, we had our EAY competition where 4 of your peer finalists competed with one another for the title of Entrepreneurial Attorney of the Year for 2023. All of these EAY finalists had giveaways and shares to give to all of the members that were in attendance, live in person as well as virtually. Ultimately, the Partners Club family voted to determine that Katonga Wright was named the winner and the champion for 2023 Entrepreneurial Attorney of the Year. It's important to note that in order to accomplish all these goals, you have to have a system that helps you maximize the way in which your work gets done. We have a brand new system that we call Flow, capital F-L-O-W. Flow is the way that work is now getting done in a law firm at the highest efficient level. We had Bert Diener share with us the fundamentals of Flow that he's using in his firm. We shared our testimonial as we use Flow in our marketing department and how we're seeing 10 times the growth. And our very own Blaine Elkers helping everybody with self-flow, and most importantly, having a great time with our rock, paper, scissors contest. It was a blast. We had a lot of competition, a lot of fun, and a lot of laughs. The success ratio and the results that we heard from the Partners Club members was through the roof. The networking that took place in the hallways, during the break, at lunch, breakfast, and at dinner was by far some of the most valuable points of the event. If you miss this Partners Club event, number 39, we highly recommend you get booked to come to event 40. We're going to be in Virginia Beach in August of 2024. If you want to know more about showing up, reach out below and contact us. And if you want to attend a Partners Club event, by all means, reach out to us directly.